Hello everyone. This is the final video in my solar series. I thought I had it done, but I decided to put a different controller on. I got this Wanderer controller off of Amazon. I believe it was $39.95. It was on sale, I think. The only thing I don't like about this one, it doesn't have an LED readout, so you can't see things at a glance. Right now, the trailer is actually facing away from the sun, so the only real voltage I'm getting will be off of the top, probably 1/3 of the panels. But what I have to show you is, actually I'll show you it. The fridge is plugged in, but it's only drawing nothing right now. Okay, what I wanted to show was how the Renogy app looks. You see there's a little diagram showing you your panel, your controller, and a battery, and which way the current is flowing. Currently the current is going into the battery. And then there's more information. Let me try to steady this. So have all your solar info, total energy produced, battery charging volts, battery charging volts, why is it there twice? Oh, battery charging watts, sorry, battery charging volts, battery charging amps, battery type, temperature, controller temperature, which is all the basic information I was looking for that the original controller didn't have. I also wanted to show you something. Right now, the fridge is sitting in the pickup truck. I'll just walk around. I'll try to hold it fairly steady. What I wanted to show you, I searched high and low for a diagram on YouTube showing where all the cooling circuits are in this mini fridge. And what did I find on the back of the mini fridge that I didn't even bother looking at? It's a complete diagram and all the technical specs. Because I have a little plan involving some surgery on this fridge that cost me a whopping $20. I am going to make a new front cover where the door is going, and I'm going to cut a hole in the top for the access, which I think will work a lot better, especially when I have it in the tongue box and you're going to want to use the rest of the space where the door will swing open to put stuff that's going to be in the way. So with the diagram, I can see exactly where all the tubing that I have to avoid is, and exactly where I can cut a hole to load everything up from the inside, or from the top, sorry. Anyway, that's it for now. Have a good day.